Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print pyramid patterns with Python. So in the previous video, we learned how to print pyramid patterns in increasing and decreasing order from the left side, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to print pyramid patterns increasing and decreasing or in increasing and decreasing order from the right side. So this is decreasing, this is increasing from the right, and this is what we are going to achieve in this video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and fire up your preferred text editor. I will be using my command prompt to write this code. I will be using command prompt based editor. You can use whatever editor, terminal prompt you have. So let's get started. So this is the editor I will be using, micro, and writepira.py is the file name that I will be creating. And to print the pattern, the star pattern or pyramid pattern, I will be using a function. So let's write the function. So I'm simply going to call it pira, and it's going to take a number as an input, and then we are going to loop over using range. So row in range of rows. Okay, so this will be increasing order. So now we want to print, let's say, decreasing first and then increasing the second function. So we will simply print whatever you want. We have row and rows. So first we will print two spaces, okay, into the increasing row, and then we want to print star one space into rows minus. This is going to be in increasing order. So that's the logic. Now I can go ahead and simply call this. So if I say, let's say 10, save it, you can see it says saved. I can close it. Now let's say Python write pira. So it works. You can see this is decreasing from the right side. Now in the next function we are going to write almost similar code, but this will be increasing like this. So let's move on. So here I want to simply give print to basically give a blank line. Then I can simply go ahead and write another function. Let's say pira1. This is also going to take the same number of, like, same value, integer, for the rows you want to print, and then we will go ahead and say for in range of rows, the given number, and then we will print it. So print, you see there's nothing much change here. Two spaces into, so this will come here and this value will come for the star. So basically rows minus row, and then we have star space into rows, into this, the increasing row, not rows, sorry. And we are done. So don't get confused with this star and this star. This is a string we want to print, and this is the arithmetic operator into, right? Oops. Now if I say pira 1 10, hopefully everything is right. Go ahead and save it, exit, and and it works. So that's what we wanted to achieve. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to print pyramid patterns starting from the center. So pyramid pattern will be like a pyramid, and then upside down pyramid, which will be just opposite. So upside down will go from here in the center at the bottom. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.